guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you a very easy and quick eye makeup look. A few weeks ago I received the HudaBeauty matte metal melted eyeshadows, which are really beautiful. I swatched them on my arm and I posted it in my Instagram story, and people were like really shook. They said they couldn't wait until I would film a video with it. But I thought it would be cool to like start with a very easy look, because I noticed that my really easy looks do really well on my YouTube channel. So I wanted to start with a super simple look. I used this color Pink Champagne all over the eyelid, and it was just so easy to use. So yeah, I wanted to show you how I did this in today's video, and hopefully this will give you all some inspiration. So let's get started. So now the first thing I'm going to do is prime my eyelids, and I'll be using the MAC Cosmetics Soft Ochre Paint Pot, which is my absolute favorite eyeshadow primer ever, if you don't know by now. And I would also not recommend skipping this part. I feel like this is the most important step when it comes to applying eyeshadow. This will make sure that your eyeshadow will stay in place all day perfectly. Then now I'm going to take this palette from theBalm Cosmetics, which is called the Meet Matte Nude palette, and I'm going to take the white color. As you can see, I've used that shade a lot. It's like a very nice soft and matte shade, and I really love to use this for underneath the eyebrow, as you can see me doing right now. And I'm using a shader brush from Suiva Cosmetics to apply this. Then I'm taking the color Matte Sing, I'm not really sure if I'm pronouncing that right, and I'm going to blend this all over my crease, going back and forth. This is a really soft color, but for today we want to do a very soft look, so this is perfect. I feel like this is like a sort of peachy pink color. It's just really soft and cute. I think it's kind of like a cute color. And now I switch to a bigger brush. Now I'm going to share some of the notification squad comments from my recent video. If you want your comment to be highlighted in my next upcoming video, make sure you leave a comment and use the hashtag notification squad. And now I'm going to use this liquid eyeshadow from HudaBeauty, which is so beautiful. They are recently launched and they come in a lot of colors. I'm using this rose gold color, and I'm just using the applicator that comes with it to apply this, and it worked really easy. I'm not really sure if you can use your finger to apply this as well, but the applicator worked pretty fine, so why not use that if it comes with it. So I think it's really pretty and soft. It kind of matches with the pink color in my crease. Then now I'm going to use this top coat from Natasha Denona. This is optional. I just wanted to see what happened. I think this is a really pretty top coat, which has like a very soft bronzy sparkle in it. You can't really see it very well, but I just wanted to see what happened, to be honest. Then now for my eyeliner, I'm taking this new Benefit Cosmetics Roller Liner eyeliner. I have a separate video where I go a little bit more in depth on how I applied my eyeliner today. I will put the link in the description bar so you can check it out if you want some advice on how you do your eyeliner. Then now that I'm done with my eyeliner, I'm taking the Tarte Cosmetics Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm going straight underneath the winged line to clean up the edges. If you're in a hurry, you can totally skip this part. This will only make it look extra sharp, even though I feel like the eyeliner looks already quite sharp. So this is just if you have some time left, do this, and if not, just skip this part. It's not that important. I said that really weird. Important. Okay. Now I'm taking this shade called Matte Wood, and I'm going to apply a little bit of this underneath the lower lash line with a kind of, I don't know what the brush is. I believe this is from Morphe. It's like a very tiny pencil and blending brush, and I'm just going to softly blend that. And then I took that same pink color which I used for my crease, and I'm going to use this to blend out my lower lash line a little bit more. Then I went back in with that white color, and I popped a little bit of that in my inner corner area just to brighten it up slightly. And of course, everything I do on one side, I'm also doing at the other eye. Then I took the MAC Giga Black Lash Extended Mascara, which is one of my favorite mascaras because it's super black and it makes my lower lashes look really long. And then I applied some fake eyelashes, which I did off camera. If you're in a hurry, you can skip this part too, but my lashes are so tiny that I really needed to do this. And then here you have the finished result. I really hope you all enjoyed this really quick and easy makeup look. I really love how it turned out. The shades that I used are really soft, but I think in combination with the eyeliner, it looks really like fierce. I don't really know what the name is, but I think it turned out really cool. I really love it. And in combination with like the nude lipstick I'm wearing, I just think it looks really soft and feminine. I will put the name of my highlighter and my lip products in the description bar in case you're curious. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys!
And if I fight, will I come?